How to fade out video in Canva. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily fade out video in Canva. So first just head over to your Canva application or canva.com from any of your browser just like this, and make sure you are logged into your account. Now you can choose this video option since we're putting out fade out effect in video using Canva. So you can just click on this video option and enable or choose any of the templates provided, or you can also click on this upload button over here to simply upload your own videos and customize it accordingly. So since I've already used my previous videos, I'll simply be using this one of these for this tutorial. So once I'm inside here, as you can see, I'll simply click on this plus button over here. So first, and now just select this new box over here, new design, and just click on this background color and make sure it's on black. So that we can see it on the black color as we add a transition. So to add a transition, you simply have to hover over here and just click on this transition button right below the add page button. So just select it and click on this dissolve effect, and you can actually increase or decrease the dissolve effect just like this. So let's say if it's working or not. So as you can see, it working correctly and dissolving into black. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like
and subscribe to channel.